like to be humans, but this is not about shame, blame, and attack. It's about saying, no, scientists are looking at this. They test people. It's telling my brain a limited story about who she could be. So I say, what happened?
Longer wait times, and then they also have less time with their physician.
I want a chance. I am more than your first impression. I pretend to not care even when I do. I feel pride, pressure, different, disappointed, lost, underestimated, anxious. I worry what others think. I cry out for social justice.
I thought the experience was gonna go bad because my school, because we're all like, we're like in the city kids, so I thought like suburban kids were gonna come in and then they're probably gonna be like, oh, like they're like ghetto, this and that. Like they thought like the way our school and everything set up, they thought it was gonna be different from theirs, and I didn't want them judging us because I hate when people judge.
Your bias might be revealed by looking at what I'm doing.
I thought it was gonna be a little uneasy at the beginning and not as comfortable, but once we met with them a couple times, it got easier to talk to them and just be more comfortable around them.
Wait, think about student insurance. I wanted a knockout.
One last time in your table groups, I want you guys to...
This experience ended up being more exciting than I thought. It was fun to meet new people.
It ended up being really good, meeting great new people, meeting some clowns, some funny people. I thought it was awesome. I thought it was like one of my favorite experiences at Allendale Columbia.
Any more time I can give it to you? The 20 minutes work? First.
What's been most meaningful about it is that I've made new friends. I'm going to try to keep these friendships for a long time.
I get to know more people, and I get to come out of my shell and impress people and let them get to know me better.
Your first impression isn't always the best impression or the right impression, so don't get it mixed up. Meet the person before you judge, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.